How to add music in CapCut PC. So for this, open your CapCut on your PC and then tap on the audio option at the very top. You can select music from the inbuilt music, or you can just go ahead and extract from your device. From here, tap on import and select the music audio file from your device here. For an example, I have selected one. Now tap on the plus sign icon next to the audio. Now to split the audio section, drag the margin till the end and then tap on the split icon. Then tap on delete. Now you have a selected verse or the section of the music that you require for your video, and simply like that you have added music to your video. Wasn't it simple? Make sure to give it a try, and thank you so much for watching.